So why doesn't your art feel like you yet? It's a big question, and for some of us that have been painting for a little bit, it can be quite frustrating. Well, let me break it down to you real simple because it's not super complicated, but it does take a little bit of time to work on. And the reason, really, what the underlying reason is that we don't know who we are yet as an artist, right? We maybe have been taking classes for a long time. We have been copying other artists, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, we all copy, and we copy until we start feeling what would resonate with us, and then we let go of stuff that doesn't, and that is not a big deal. It's kind of part of the process, and it's really necessary. So I want to show you a couple of things, because when we don't know what we like, that's where the big confusion comes in. And we have to take that time to figure it out. And this is something inside the Abstracted Artists, my private membership. I have this process that guides people through that. But you have to be willing to put the time in and be patient with yourself, because your style or your artistic voice or language, whatever you want to call it, is already inside of you. You just have to listen. And it doesn't matter what type of art you paint, or if you are into abstract florals or abstract figures or abstract landscapes. It will come out through all of them if you just let it and you just pay attention. You just have to let your preferences guide you and let go over time of what does not serve you. Let me show you a few examples of what I figured out about me over the years. Here is one of my landscapes, and I like to create drama. And let me preface that by saying it's drama for me. Other people may not think it, but it has to speak to me. And once it speaks to me, I have that solid foundation. And this is how I feel I create drama, with the depth and the darkness with the light. And then I bring in natural elements. There's some desert sand here, which I just love. So I put it in. It makes me feel good. Now that is completely different than an abstract figure that I create, but I love this one too. And to me, it's very dramatic, and I love the way the colors work. And it is me, and I've had to play with this over time. Yes, I've taken classes from other artists on how to do things like this or this. And maybe I worried about it a little, like you might be, oh, I'm just copying them. This isn't me. This isn't. Let go of that. It will, over time, naturally fall to the side, and you'll start doing what you like, maybe not even realizing. And you'll just, go with it. And when that happens, you're going to start to let go of things you don't like. And you'll be free mentally, because that's where it all starts, to ask yourself, I wonder, what if I tried this in this painting, and see where it goes? And just keep doing that. And over time, you will see what reflects you in your art. And I know you're going to love it.